my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today's the first time on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So last week I had technical issues. Yes. Oh my goodness. Don't get me started. But thank God, everything is back to normal. So I'm so happy. I got some comments. Oh, I miss your face. I look at today, but thank you. I miss you all too. But it's good to be back. Okay. So today we're going to be learning about some of those songs that we sing when we're playing games. Okay, when we were a lot younger. Okay. So today we're gonna there's actually a number of them, but I'm going to be teaching only a few. Okay. And then another thing is we might not be able to capture everything in one lesson. Okay, so I'm going to spread them into maybe different lessons anyway. So but before we do all of that today, we're going to be greeting together in Yoruba language. Okay, on the count of what? Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Edekale. Akudeta sikweni go with about in Babylon. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Auntie Daycare. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, mo dojú kọ ìṣòro ráńpẹ́ kan, àmọ́ o gbogbo ẹ̀ ti padà bọ̀ sípò báyìí àti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ó dá ní ìtìtò ní máa kọ́ nípa àwọn orin tá a máa ń kọ tá a bá ń ṣeré ìdárayá, àwọn ibi tá ló wà nínú ọgbà náà àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Yorùbá ni màá fi kọ́ wọn ní àwọn orin yìí, màá sì máa túmọ̀ rẹ̀ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ṣó ti yé yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, àwọn ọmọ mi dúró dè mí. All right, guys. So today, like I said, we're going to be learning some of those songs that we used to sing when we played some certain games when we were younger. Okay, so this one is Who is in the Garden, but Yoruba version. Okay, so I'm going to teach you what I'm going to say and then what you have to respond back to me. Okay, and then you have to learn the whole song yourself. All right, okay, so when I say Ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà, who is in the garden? Okay, so ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà, you will say ọmọ kékeré kan ni. So it's a little child in the garden. Okay, ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà, you will say ọmọ kékeré kan ni. Ṣé wá wò? If I say can I have a look, you will say to me máa wá wò. Okay, then I will say tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ. So the game is we'll all form a big circle, and then someone will be outside the circle, and then there'll be someone inside the circle, and then we'll keep going round and we sing that song. And then when we say tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ, that means I'm saying wherever I touch from the circle has to follow me. Okay, and then we keep doing this, going round and round until the circle gets really small. Okay, and that's the way that game goes. Okay, and just goes on and on until the circle basically just gets diminished. So that is what that game is about. Okay, so I'm gonna sing it again. Ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà, ọmọ kékeré kan ni. Ṣé wá wò, máa wá wò, ó yá tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ. So that's it. It's really simple. Ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà, ọmọ kékeré kan ni. Ṣé wá wò, máa wá wò, ó yá tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ. It's a 5-liner song. It's really simple. Okay, so it's your version of Who is in the Garden. So again, until I see you next week. Okay, as you know, we're gonna be singing our old number together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O, Double. Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣeun.